In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Calendly with your website using Framer. This integration will allow visitors to schedule an appointment directly through your site, creating a smooth and seamless user experience. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open Framer, your design tool of choice. Once you're in Framer, go ahead and open your site project where you'd like to add the Calendly integration. Now, locate and select the button in your design where you'd like to attach the calendar overlay. This button will act as your trigger for the overlay where Calendly will sit. Direct your attention to the right side of your screen where you'll find numerous options. From these options, look for and click on Overlay. This function allows you to create a pop-up effect. Once you're in the overlay settings, navigate to the Relatives tab. This is where you can adjust how and when the overlay appears. You'll want to switch the overlay trigger from hover to click. This ensures that the calendar overlay only appears when someone intentionally clicks on the button instead of just hovering over it. For the dismissal setting, make sure it is set to click as well, so that the overlay will close if the user clicks away from it. Next, shift your focus to the left side of the screen and click on Insert. In the search bar of the Insert panel, type in Calendly. Once you find it, drag Calendly into your newly created overlay panel. This is the area that will appear when someone clicks the button on your site. To make sure everything looks clean and professional, click on Overlay in your Layers panel. Once again, navigate to the right side and click on Layout. It's crucial here to adjust the height and width settings so that they fit appropriately within your design. You want everything to look proportional and visually appealing. As for positioning, you can select Top to align your overlay at the top of your screen. If this doesn't suit your design needs, you can adjust the position further by pressing Shift combined with the arrow keys on your keyboard to fine-tune the placement just the way you like it. Now, head to the Calendly website where you'll need to copy a certain piece of text that links directly to your calendar, but make sure not to copy the entire URL. This specific text ensures that the system knows exactly where to direct the users. Back in Framer, select the Calendly item in your Layers panel. On the right side, you'll see an option to paste text. This is where you'll paste the snippet you copied from Calendly earlier. Once everything is in place, you're nearly there. Finally, to check your work, click on Preview to see how the integration operates in real time. Click the button you set up earlier and verify that you're redirected seamlessly to your calendar. This indicates that the integration is complete and functioning as intended. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Calendly into your site using Framer.